Firstly, I want to introduce our university. Our university's name is Shanghai University of Political Science and Law, also called SHUPL. SHUPL was established in 1984, and we located in the Shanghai nearby Sheshan National Tourism Resort. So our campus, also known as the Garden School, now we have more than 10,000 full-time students, and we hear more than 700 teachers, and we have 35 professional labs and training rooms in our campus. And the SHUPL now consists of 13 different schools, like the law school, the School of International Law, the School of Government, and this course teacher comes from the School of International Communication and Exchange. In this school, we have more than 500 international students. Okay. Next, I want to introduce a very important project in SHUPL, even in China. On the September 1913, our President Xi Jinping announced that China will set up China SCL International Judicial Exchange and Cooperation Training Base in the SHUPL. And in September 2017, the training base was fully built and put into use. Now, the SHUPL used this training base to calculate judicial talent for SCL member countries. And we already host many different high-level international conferences. And based on this training base, the SHUPL have many chance to do some international exchange and cooperation, like some famous universities. Yeah. Okay. Next, I will show some pictures about our campus, like our library, our experiment center, and our training building. Yeah. So this picture, this slides about our international students living faculties, like our cafeteria, international students accommodation, activity center. Those are our sport ground, the musician hall. So, as I said before, now the School of International Communication and Exchange have more than 500 international students, and they come from more than 70 countries. So we always help students learn some Chinese culture and do some traditional exchange and host some internship, and and we always try our best to help our campus culture exchange. So basically we have 8 different bachelor's degree programs for international students and 6 different master's degree programs for international students. Also, we have some non-degree programs like Chinese language program. Okay, now back to this course. in the past, our school tried to teach our international students learn Chinese language, and mostly face-to-face. But now, we want to find some different way, some online way to help our students. So we cooperate the teacher Ouyang to host this course, this online free Chinese language course. So next, I will let teacher Ouyang to introduce this course. But today we host this ceremony. Want our students know very basic information about the SHUPL, and if you interested in our university, you can contact me or introduce or recommend our university to your friends, your relatives, to let them come to SHUPL and welcome to join SHUPL. Then, let's welcome the teacher Ouyang to introduce more details about this course.
Okay, thank you, 周老师。We should firstly thanks SHUPL to give us this kind of opportunity to meet together to learn Chinese. This is a very generous offer and good efforts been made to make us to meet each other together. Now I give a brief introduction of my course. My name is Guilin Ouyang. I'm a software developer. I have lived outside China for 20 years, and I developed this system since 2003, and now I'm full-time to do this. It convinced this one is a very effective way to learn Chinese. What's the main thing? I will give you introduction later. Big thanks to SHUPL, the Shanghai University of Political Science and Law. Then spent a lot of money funding our class. So then with them support, we can meet each other here. And this is a very big international online class. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very happy to be the teacher in this class. Thank you, SHUPL, very much. And as we have seen, SHUPL University have a lot of program for language study, and also have degree courses for other topics. SHUPL is located in Shanghai. That's the major city in China. That's the center of industry and culture. And very beautiful city, and a very beautiful university as well. And I also give you a little outline of this class. This class is 2 weeks. 2 weeks class. Each week have 3 lessons. Each lesson have 2 hours. That means total together is 6 class of this class, this course. And in this 2 week classes, we will learn many things like writing and typing, pronunciation, and also learn some lessons, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. We have 2 assistant teachers here. One is Wang Lao Shi, another is Li Lao Shi. And also we are a former team. We have teachers from BRE Education and SHUPL. So we are all in team to assist you to learn Chinese easily and quickly. So if you have any any questions, you let us know. We will make best efforts to help you. And I also hope you guys take serious about this chance. It's a very, very good course because in the world, all the Chinese studied by PinYin. This method is unique in the world. No other place you can find this one. But you will find very soon. This is a very effective way to learn. So our team will make all efforts to give a good course. But I hope you guys also put efforts, put time in to make use of this course, take advantage of these free courses, and then achieved what you want, and we're started to learn Chinese. Okay, this 2 weeks, 6 hours lesson. I hope you all guys come to the class and also finish the assignment I will give to you. If you did well, I'm very sure we can get a very good result of this course. And after this lesson, these courses, we will give assessment. We will give assessment, see how good you are, and also you can give our comments. Is that good or not? Is satisfied with this course or not? And we will issue a completion certificate from SHUPL University, and that's also a beautiful certificate. If you passed requirement, if you satisfied course requirement, you can get one. Okay, that's the outline of this course. So now we are going to start our course. At the beginning, I will give you explanation why we should take this course. What's the difference of this course between others? So I will give you a little bit of outline of Chinese study method. As we always, there are three main Chinese study methods. The one is a classic way. That's used in the main ancient time. Classic method. The main character of the classic method is learning words, writing words one by one, and also recite the classic textbook, which Chinese now is 三字经 北家信. This method is very effective in ancient time, but nowadays the education situation is different because all students do not have enough time to spend on one course. So we have lots of things to learn. We do not have enough time to put in one subject. So this course is not very suitable for nowadays. That's one. The second one is PinYin. PinYin method is invented because 1958 the PinYin was created and was issued by the Chinese government. And since then, start from PinYin to learn Chinese become a widely used method. So all of you, if you have learned Chinese, you know this method. But this method is not very effective. The reason is, one is pronunciation. If you are using, because Pinyin uses the same character with English, so foreigner always read Pinyin with English sound and tone. So the pronunciation has some problem. Pronunciation probably is difficult to pronounce it accurately. Yeah, like Ye Xinyi, yesterday we have talked about, because Ye Xinyi has studied more than 1 year, but her pronunciation is still not very good because of this Pinyin. Because they are always used English to read Pinyin. So the second one is, if you are learning by Pinyin, start with Pinyin, you are always focusing on Pinyin. Spend a lot of time and energy in the Pinyin. But Pinyin is not our goal. It's not my target, because Pinyin is not Chinese. So if you start a lot of time focusing on Pinyin, it will block the way for you to learn writing and typing. It blocks the way for you learning the characters and the words. So it's blocks the way for your learning characters or words. So Pinyin is the second method. The third method is start from writing or typing. Start from writing and typing. Starting from writing and typing is the ideal way. A lot of people think this is the right way, but before we do not have a good method. So this method do not have been used. Actually, it's not used before. So not only my method, I created the character system, the new input system. So this method is practicable, is put it in use or now. So the third method is my method. So the main Sweden method is the third one. We are using this method for our class. Now I will give you a little outline of my method. Chinese study method. It have several parts. Actually, this is I hope you do not pronounce it he or she or he. No, it's he, because this word is pinyin of this word. He is you and me. He is end. The meaning is harmony or end. This is pronounced pinyin of this one. So it's Chinese. This is my method name, he. So the first one is writing and typing. It's normally 4 to 6 hours. I think you can do very well of 4 hours. 4 hours you can do writing or typing. Today we will start with this one. The second one is pronunciation. Pronunciation method is no difficulty because Chinese sound is only all are monosyllable. Every word pronunciation is like this. The sounds going out and down, going out and down. And pronunciation in Chinese is only 23 initial and 24 finals. Total together is 430. 430. So the pronunciation, if you speak 24 words, it already includes 24 initial and 24 final. So 24 initial, because 24 words, it includes 24 initial, 24 final. So it almost include all the sound. So Chinese pronunciation is not difficult. Yeah. So we will normally we are normally is 4 hours. We can pronounce accurate Chinese sound. The thing is, difficulties to remember the meaning of sound is difficult because every word it do not have any indication how to pronounce it. So you know how to pronounce it, but you do not know how to remember the meaning of these characters. That's the big part of learning. That's difficult part of Chinese learning. But we have method to help you this. This is where the third part is remember meaning and sound. Meaning and sounds. We are how to remember meaning and sounds. We are using the short sentence, recite short sentence without pinyin and tones. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 天 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. You and me and her. All are good. Yeah, that's one and several sentences. If you recite sentence well, you can remember meaning and sound. You can build up the language base. We are teaching this method many times. It's all proved effective and successful. Yeah, that's the third part. And the fourth part, we are learning pinyin. We are learning pinyin here. The fourth part is not at the beginning. Now, other method is learning pinyin at the beginning, but we are not. We are learning pinyin here. After you learn HSK Book 1, 300. After you learn 300 words, sound and meaning, and then you will learn pinyin because it looks like Chinese kids. Chinese kids can speak Mandarin well and then learn pinyin. That means use Mandarin to learn pinyin, not use pinyin to learn Mandarin, not other way. So that's also very effective. If you know how to pronunciation about 300 words and learning pinyin, it's very easy. Yeah, we have seen the result. We have seen the result. So that's the outline of my method. Yeah, actually Chinese study method has 4 parts. So we are starting from here. Writing and typing. We are starting from here. Writing and typing. Today we are doing this. Okay. Writing or typing the knowledge and skill. Yeah, knowledge and skill. There are 25 characters. I already put these 25 characters pictures to my group, so you may have seen this one. This is 25. That's the first part. Today we will need to finish this one. I'm sure we will learn very well about this. The second part is 183 chart table. This one. Yeah. Normally we can finish is 2 hours, just one lesson. Yeah, I'm sure you can do. And the third part is coding. Every word, it have coding rules. Yeah, this normally is 2 hours, but sometimes you can quicker. So total together is 6 hours. So the first 3 lessons we are more focused on writing, typing. The second week, 3 times lesson, we will learning words. That's our course. So today we are going to start here. Start with this one. So now we are going to learn this. I think there are already enough explanation of our course. So I will share the software. I will explain the software to you. Now let me share screen to you. This is our first application. We have, let me show. This is the website on my English website. That's the first application. We can launch my first application from here. From here, I click this one, HeChinese. We are using 25 numbers to code in every Chinese words. These 25 numbers can input by main keyboard. That's layout. Okay, let me start from here. This application is web application. This web application, you can use this web application on different device, like this device, this size device. This size device is on the cell phone. This size device is on the pad, iPad or other kind of pad, and this size is for Windows. If you open this application on different device, it will have a different setting. It will have different setting. Now this setting is wide screen for computer. If you we can input this is with number pad and also with main keyboard and also number pad. You can't see me. How can I see? I can use the number pad to input, like 11. That's 11. Sometimes you may be. Oh, sorry. Oh, I didn't plug. I need to plug this one to my computer. This is 11. Sorry.
1、2、
Can you see my screen movement?
1、3、1、4、
1、5、
2、1。
It's not sharing my screen. And keyboard is Y. If I type Y, it will type one gap.
2、2、
2 is U.
2、
If you
3。
type wrong, you see
Redo it.
23 is the number I. You can type I to input.
2、4、
2、4。
That's all the 25 numbers can be input with the main keyboard. Like this 45, if you type
What
wrong,
is
it's
wrong?
N. 45 is N, is here. And 51, if you type wrong,
Not right.
it will give you say 51 is B. If you type B, is right.
5、 3、
And also you can input here 33. Like 33 is 33.
3、 4、
5、
55.
3、
Yeah, 35.
5、 3、
2、 What is you can do it.
22.
1、5。
U.
3、4
4.
You can do it.
Yeah.
3、
So
3
the number pad can be input on the main keyboard and the number pad. If you like stretch, make it small, you can do like here. You need flash, and you can use
1、2、3
like this size is iPhone size. It's in the iPhone size. You can type it like this.
4
1、5。
Okay. What's that mean? What's the number mean? Let me move next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is column number. Like the first column is start with 横, the second column start with 竖. That's second column. The third column, fourth column, fifth column. And each column, if you gradually it will become this. Like these 5 characters all start with 横. Like all start with 横. These 5 characters all start with 竖. Yeah? These all have a cross inside. These all start with P. These all start with dot. So now, if we click this one, you can do loop. You can do move loop to study. If you click this button,
横
now you can do more typing.
左宽横上下左别人员
I'm input with the main keyboard. Like this one is 5-1. Why is 5-1? This one dot is 5-1. You just type B. If you type wrong, you will see this 5-1. 5-1 because we have done this practice before. So you know this 5-1 is B.
两点水七日金木土辛火米
If you type wrong,
田
it will show you. And also you can type. You can type with number pad, right? That's 5-1. 5-1, you just type 5-1.
右框
Yeah, 1-3,
米
3-5,
水
5-3,
口
2-4,
下框加
3-1,
米
3-5.
人
Yeah. If you type well, if you type correctly, corrects 150. 150, it will automatically move to next page. The next page is this. This page. So we are using these 25 characters to compose words. Like Sam.
Attention
You
please.
see, this is 3-1-1s, or this is no. Yeah, this is 3-1-1s. So you 3-1-1s. Each 1-1 is 1. Yeah, the code is 1-1. So it's, yeah.
You are correct.
So this one,
Calm down.
this word is composed with 横 and this and this. The coding is codes is 112511. So now you can input with number pad and also main keyboard 112511.
You got it. Done.
Yeah.
Got it. I love you.
So if you did well,
Great.
if
I
you
am
did
proud of
well in
you.
this one,
You are wonderful. It is not difficult. Excellent. Come on. You are right. Right.
then you will know the concept of Chinese words. It was composed with Chinese characters. And then you can use this component to input. You can input these Chinese words everywhere because we have created software for implement this. Like here, yeah. This is the manual. This is the manual. That's the lesson we need to do. That's the first lesson, second lesson, third lesson. We need to finish all of them. Like today, we need to finish this lesson 1. And the first one is 23. We already know this, right? We already explained. And the second one is this. You take one. We just explained. And the third one is this. Yeah, that's today. We just if you learn 3 lessons, and then you can write, you can type every Chinese characters. Then you can use these features. Like here, you can type every Chinese word like 中国, 中华, Shanghai, yeah, Shenzhen. You can type every, just all, I type in main keyboard. Now I'm typing in main keyboard. Also, you can type in with number pad. Like number pad, you can type number pad. Just randomly type any words. You can type every Chinese character from here, or 2421, 415. That's 中国. Yeah, Shanghai. So, and also you can input it with a phone, iPhone and Android phone everywhere. So this is the input method. You learn and use everywhere. We have software. This is the software for training, and also we have books. And for each class, we have writing papers. I have already sent you the writing papers. So, and also we have many cards to practice with. So this is a learning material. That's all learning material. But by now, because you are all adults, you can just use this software to learn this method, to learn these skills. Okay. After you finish 3 lessons, like 1 week, 3 lessons, then you can type everything, and then you will move to second application. Now we are going to learn words. We are going to learn phrases. We are going to learn lesson, sentence.
1天、2天、3天。
How to learn? How to learn? That's the user application. Because the application tell you everything. Like 他, it give you, see, the he and her, she and her. Yeah, that's meaning. You can click, you can press play, P. You get sound, you get meaning, you get structure. Because we will learn the structures writing first. So when you come to this second application, you already know this. The structure, and that's the code. Yeah, we will know it very soon. So you get a meaning, everything.
门
With these 12 words, we can compose many phrases.
我们、你们、他们。
So we need to repeat this sound again and again. Remember this sound, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 day. This sentence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 day, and you and me and he and her, all good. So you will recite this sentence to remember the meaning and sound. That's our method. We also have practice typing. Because this is 12 words. Like this one is 1, 1.
2、3、
You know this
4、
in the first 3 lessons.
5
So you are doing
天
typing.
你
我
他们好，我们你们他们。
你
Yeah.
我
So we
你
can type very quick.
我他
Yeah, like this.
你好
And also, this is typing practice. Typing means writing, because we are typed by the shape, by the structure, by the components, not by PinYin. When you do this typing, it is like writing. Right? Writing, you are writing component, writing strokes. The typing is also use this knowledge to typing. So this practice help you to remember words, to remember writing. And then the third function, yeah, remember this one. This is 6 button, but it's 6 functions. Yeah, the first one is learning.
1
Yeah, it's study. I say this is study page, it's input page. This is flashcard. Yeah, if you use right arrow key on the main keyboard, you can get all of them. But if you don't know how to pronunciation, you do not meaning, you can use.
你们
You can easily get the answer. Sound, meaning,
你们你
yeah.
们
And then
我们
yeah, sound. If you can speak, and then you can move. If you do not know how to speak, you can
4
get sound.
4
And
4
then this is testing. Like
你好
你好 yeah,
你我
我
他
他
5
So you listening and type. Like this dictation. Listening and type. So you need to remember how to writing. That's
他天天
天
1 2 3 4 5
Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, then you can submit here. Click this button, submit. Yeah, that's all right. This one is wrong because
1 2 3 4 5
it's 1 2 3 5. I only type 1 2 3. This is not right. So this, if you finish this 20 items, if you can type,
2
yeah,
他
yeah, I don't know which tie it is.
你们
Yeah, and then you can submit again. Yeah, that's all right. And yeah, this is testing. This is dialogue. You can find.
你好
Yeah,
你们好，
你们好。
你们好，
Do you know which words it is? If you know, that's good. That's we are going to. If you hear the sound, do you know the meaning? Yeah. If you know, you have passed. If you don't know, you can.
你们好，你们好，
You can
你
read
们
it
好，
again. That's the listening comprehension. Yeah, listening and get a meaning. And listening, you know which word it is. You can write it down. Yeah, that's very good. Because these old words, no new words. That's words all have been learned in the first page. No new words. The good synthesis is. So you do not need to worry about something you didn't learn. Yeah, that like
3号4号5号
yeah, that's 3好4好. So you hope you like it. And this is search like 我
我
我
我们
That's 我. These all phrases have include 我 inside. 我们你我 all have inside. You can change this word like 们 and search again. Yeah, these all phrases have 们 inside. 我们你们他们. That's a search function. So that's lesson 1.
1
Includes so many functions there. If you finish lesson 1 well, and then we can move to lesson 2.
上
Yeah, same
中下
same
前
function, all learning features here. So in this study, we have books. Yeah. Book is available in Amazon.com, but I hope you just use this software. You can learn we just use the software. I can send you the writing papers. Writing paper is here. If some people, some students in China, if you like this book, I can send to you. But this needed cost a little bit. That's the course study. That's course the word study, words and phrases and like this one.
前天早上前天中午前天下
If you
午
click this one, you
前
can get
天
some.
晚上
Yeah, you can have shortcuts.
前天早
Yeah,
上
have shortcuts.
前天中午前天下午
Yeah, it will
前天晚上
use method way to learn. You may find we have no pinyin in this page. We have no pinyin on this book at all. Yeah. I hope I will give you more explanation why we should not use pinyin. Why we should use learning Chinese in that way, directly. We call this directly. No pinyin in the between. If you use pinyin, that means indirectly. 前
前
you are not read this. If you write pinyin here, you are reading pinyin. That means if you are learning pinyin, it's difficult to remember these words. So we do not use okay, that's the explanation about my course and software and software functions as well. So we have in our course, this is Express course, we have 2 applications. This application is for writing and typing, right? Yeah, writing and typing. Writing and typing. The second, if you finish writing and typing skills in three times, I'm sure you can do. Then you have very good tools. You can speed your study with the second application. Because you know these words. You know these words composed. You know these words composed with this one. And then use skills to learn meaning and sound. Yeah, that's the main outline of my course, software and material. And now we are going to learn. We are going to learn the first. Okay, we have finished. We are going to learn these 25 characters, writing and typing. Today is the first lesson. Yeah. 3 lessons, 1, 2, 3. The first lesson is 25 characters. It's this one. So let's start from here. These 25 characters, I will say this column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. Column 1 is all start with 很, right? Column 2 all start with 数. Column 3 is all have cross inside, yeah? It all have cross. Column 4 all start with 撇. Column 5 is dot, dot, dot. So I will give more explanation. You will learn. Yeah. So yeah. Let me start from here. Okay. Now the time is 4:57. So I record this time here. We can see how quick we can learn. Okay. Quicker we can learn. 很, 数, 撇, na. That's the 4 basic strokes for all Chinese characters. That all start from here. 很, 数, 撇, na. 4 strokes. 4 strokes. So all the Chinese characters start with 很. We'll put it in this column. Hello. Hello. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. That's all Chinese characters start with 数 in this column. All Chinese characters start with 撇 in this column. Dot.
Now.
Oh, any lost message here? I don't know. I didn't get. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Good. No problem. So, because 很, the first column, there are too many words start with 很. So we divide this 很 to 2 columns. 很, yeah, 很, 2 columns. And but this one is different with this one. The second one is 数. So 很, third column. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5. And each column has 5 rows. You need I need to mute all of you. Yeah? And this 5 rows. 5 rows. 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we have video to explain this one. It's 5 dot. Dot is 5 1, right? 5 1. These 2 dots 5 2, 3 dots 5 3, 4 dots 5 4. This is 5 5. Easy to remember, right? 5 1, 5 2, 5 3. This is all about water. This one means fire. because four dots, there are some words like and lang. So these four dots means fire. This is hot. This is hot. This is burning. So this means fire. And this is hot. This hot means lots of
Hot
water
radical.
and also hot and warm.
Hot radical.
And this one is started with P. I just a little worry what's happened here. Yeah. This is hot. This is also P. Like people's hair. Yeah. This is people standard.
Standing.
Walking. Yeah. Like people walk.
Run. Walk radical.
Yeah. This is dancing.
Woman radical.
Oh. I do not
Mute you.
mute. I'm with you. Mute all. I know you are excited. You know this word, right? Yeah, this is radical. So all start with P. So this 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5. That's dancing. That's animal running. Yeah, animal running. This is all have cross. Plus 1 line at the bottom. This 3 1, this 3 2. Plus 1 line here is 3. This grass. The first one is cross. The second one is earth. The third one is grass. The fourth one is wood. Yeah, PinYin is wood. And this one, if you add 2 dots, one is rice. So this all means earth and plants. Means earth and plants. Yeah. This one is people and animal. This is water and fire. Right? And so Chinese characters have some meaning, and also they are related with first joke. This one is shu. All start with shu. When you write in these 5 characters, all start with shu. And this one, up frame, down frame, down frame, down frame. So when you write into character, all start with shu. If you write others, that's wrong. So it's very easy for you to write. Like this one is and if you write self friend, it's self. And write this all use friend present. Like this door, right? This entry, this sun. Yeah, sun. So this all I use shape to present the meaning. And this one all start with hen. These 5 characters all start with hen. Remember this one. So left, open to left, open to right. It's open up, open down, yeah, open left and right. And this is open side, yeah, side open. This is left and right together. That's this is 1 2, this is 1 3, equal to 5. Yeah, this is 1 5. So that's frame. That's all about frame. You use frame to present a meaning. Yeah, that's So if you know this, well, you gotta start with Chinese writing. Yeah, this is Chinese writing. For Chinese writing, you know this also this one is hen first. Hen or hen first. Yeah, or hen first. And then su. Yeah, so writing is like that. And then this is or P first. It's not difficult at all. If you know this chart, you will find easy to find the first joke. First joke is come with code, come with the column, come with column number. So you know this one is easy to remember. because it starts with a dot and 4 dots. So this is 5-4, right? This is 5-4. This is 4-4 because lady, this lady, as someone said, arms and legs. That's 4-4. This is 4-4. Because lady like dancing, looks like a lady dancing. This is 3-4. Why is 3-4? Because it is cross. Cross is 3. It's 1-1, 2-1 is 3-1. Yeah? Because this is joined together. It is 3-1. This is 3-4 because it is 4 strokes. It's 3-4. This is 2-4. Why? Because it starts with su. So it's 2 something. It's 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. That's 2-4. This is 1-4. Why is it 1-1-1-4? Because this one is 1-1. This is 4-1. This is 4-1. So this is 1-1-4-1. So it's 1-4. If you remember these 5 characters, 1-4, 2-4, 2-4 is easy. As 3-4, 4-4, 5-4, and then up is small, and going down is bigger, and then you will remember it well. So now we are going to do some practice. Yeah, we are going to practice remember all of them. So we will start from here. So you can turn on unmute. Yeah, you can practice with me. What is 5-1, right? Three.
5-4.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
Walking. The phone is walking. Don't destroy.
Yeah. 5-4. Right?
Walking.
Yeah. Yeah.
5. 1-5.
Yeah, beautiful. 5-5.
5. 5.
5-3.
5-4.
5-2. Yeah.
5-2.
Yeah. 5-1.
5-1.
Yeah. 5-3.
This one is 5-3.
Yeah.
This is 5.
We have answer here. You see? 5-4.
5-4.
5-4.
5-4.
5-4.
5-5. 1. 5-4.
5.
5.
5-3.
5-2.
5-4.
5-5. That's the last one. Last one. 5. Yeah.
5-5.
5-5.
5-4.
5-4 and
5-5.
Yeah. 5-5-5-4. Yeah. Good. Great. Yeah. This is 5-3, right?
5-3.
5-3.
Yeah.
5-2. 5-1. 5-1. 5-5.
5-3. 5-5.
5-2.
5-1.
Yeah.
5-1. 5-3.
5-3.
5-5.
Yeah. Beautiful.
5-4.
Yeah. Very good.
5-2.
We have done this. This is
5-5.
because
5-4.
5-4.
yeah, like people here.
4.
Here.
क्या करेंगे अल्ली बात ही
Mute us, sir. They're talking to you. Mute us.
5-3. 4-3. 4-4. 4 4
Yeah.
4 4
Last one.
4 5
Is animal a cat and dog, right?
अजय चाहिए लैपटॉप वगैरह
4
बंदा
5
क्या ना लैपटॉप चाहिए मैं
Four. This is four.
कीबोर्ड चाहिए मैं ये माउस चाहिए फोन
Yeah. 4
4
1.
2
Yeah. 4 2.
4 5
4 5. Yeah.
4 1
4 4.
4 3
4 4.
4 4
So that's
4 5
4 5
4 5
4
4
2
2
4 2
4 1
4 1
4 3
4 5
4 5
4 2
2
4 2
4 1
4
4
1
4 4 5 4 5 4 1 4 5 4 2
4 5
4 1 4 5
4 5
no it's not
4
4 2
4 3
3
very good, very good. Yeah, very good. So, 1 is 3 1.
3 1
This one is 3 2.
3 2
Because we have a 1. Yeah. That this is 3 1, 3 1, and this
3 2
yeah.
3 2
And this 3. Yeah.
3 3
3 3
3 2 3 3
And this one
4 me this is me
3 4
3 4
3 4 3 5
It is
3 4
beautiful because there's a 4 jokes, right? 1 2 3
3 5
jokes. 3 4.
3 4 3 5
3 5
4.
3 1
3 1
3 1.
3 2
3 3 3 3
3 3
3 3
yeah 3 2 3 2
Yeah, beautiful.
3 2 that's a 3 4
3 4
3 4 yes 3 5
3 5
3 5
3 1
3 1
3 1
3
3
3
3
3.
3 2
3 2
3 4
3 4
3 5
3
3
1
1
Yeah, beautiful.
3
3
2
2
3
3
5
5 3 4
3 4
3
3
1
1
3 2 3
3
4
4
3
3
5
5
3
3
1
1
3 2
2
3
3 4
3 3 3 3
3 3
Very good.
3 3
Wonderful, wonderful. And also, this is second column. Second column is easy. That's all start with shu. Right? It's 1, 2, 1.
1 1 2 1 1
2
That's 3 sides. That's 3 sides. That's 3 sides.
oh
3. And 3 sides.
2
This one is easy. This is 2 4. The 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 2 4. Yeah. And that's the last one. 2 5.
3 1 5
5
5. 5.
1 4 1 5
No, 1 5. 5. 2
5
2 5
2 5
4.
2 4
4
Yeah.
2 3
3
2 3
2 1
2
1
1 2
2
2
1 1 1 gosh
2 5
2 5 4
2 3
Yeah.
1
1
2 1
2 4
2 4
2 3 2 2 2 5 3 1 2 5 2 3
Very, very good. So the last one. Last one is 1. Open left,
कंप्यूटर रश आ गया
1
left
3
first. Left, right. Is 1, 2. Right is 1.
2 1 3
So half done. Half
कंप्यूटर जला पता लगती है
Most boys.
1 2 1 3
4.
4
Yeah, 1 4. And
1
1 2. 1 3.
4
And
1 3
1 5.
1
1 5
Yeah. Open to left, open to right together. Yeah.
1 5 1 3 it's a 1 4 1 4 1
1
1
1
1 5 1 2 1 3 1 4 1
Yeah.
1 5
Now, with these 25 characters, we can compose many words. We can compose like this. Yeah? This one is the P. And that's the first one is for 1. This 3 5.
1
41, 3, 55.
Right? Yeah, that's component of this. Yeah, that's this one. And also this one.
24 24 21
Yeah, beautiful. You get it? Yeah. This
51 33 34 44
so 1 3 4 4. 1 3 5 1 5 1 1 3 1 4 4 4.
oh shit.
Yeah. So there are many. We have software to practice. If you did well, you will get a concept. You will get a concept of these 25 characters and with
Yeah.
that's the main thing of it. So we can do some typing like share screen. Like share screen again. So we will do typing like 1 1. And then you put yeah, that one. This one. And this 1 1.
I am very sorry.
1
Yeah. And then 25 characters practice. Yeah. You can hide it. My God. This typing.
I love you. You are my baby.
Yeah. So you can.
You got it for help. Got it. Done.
Yeah.
You are wonderful. Thanks. You are wonderful. I love you, baby. It is not difficult at all. You are correct. Got it. You got it. You won. You are correct. Oh. It is so easy.
If you type wrong,
What is the problem?
If you type wrong, it will give you a prompt. Yeah. This also arrow and the characters like this here.
Hurry up.
Yeah. If you type 3 4, now you do not need to type 3 4 again. You need to type 2 5. Do not some students say, oh, it's wrong. You start from again because this is already typed. It's already typed 34, so you do not need to type 34 again. You just type 2 5, like 2 5, or just type 2 5, like 2 5. Yeah.
That is right. It is so simple. Do it again. Beautiful.
Yeah.
You are the one.
You need help?
You won. Good.
Yeah.
It is you are right.
So that's today's. If you did well, these 3 of them. That's today's lesson. Today's assignment you need to do. We also send you a writing paper. I also send you a writing paper and this. That's today's assignment. I do not repeat it. Yeah. Now I hope someone share your screen to me. I will guide you to do because lots of people don't know how to use the software. So you share your screen to me and I guide you. Anyone have a number pad with you? Maybe the main keyboard, a number pad. If you have number pad, it's easy for you to do the typing. If you do not have number pad, you need to use the main keyboard. Use main keyboard, it is much difficult because you need to match. Yeah, this is here and this here. Anyone have a number pad? Then you can share your screen to me, and then we can do. I can guide you through this application. Yeah, the application, the software. Okay, first thing, the writing. Writing. There are several words. Several words are difficult to write. This one is easy, right? This one is very easy. Like this. Some words is different. This one, when you write it, it's this one first. Huh? Because for something, it's P first. Yeah? And then that's second. The last one is this. Remember, okay? When you write in the last one, just keep. Do not write from here. Yeah, because these arms, these legs, arms and legs, so these arms should be top. And also, yeah, put these two strokes close. Make it more slim, more beauty. Okay, this one. Like a cat and dog. Cat and dog. Cat and dog is P first. And then the second one. Second one, normally students didn't write well, so you can write this like that. Yeah, like this. Like this. Yeah, like this. You find difficulty, you just, later just need to be blending. That's it. I think this is the easy way, structured way to write this character. Because this one is normally people do not write well. So you now write this one, just like this. Right? And do it blending. And Xin, Xin is writing this one first, because it's dot, by one, so it's dot first. And this one and right back. Like this one. And then this one's middle. Higher, much higher than this. Much higher than this. You see? Much higher than this. And this. And this. Okay, let's see. So I will send you the writing paper. You need to write this. And I will see how good you are. And this fire is two dots first. And then this. I think there's two dots. Dot. And this one is dot. This file 3 is tick. Yeah. Dot and the tick. Dot and the tick. Remember this one, this is tick. And also is like this. Chinese writing the han. There are lots of han here. This is printer's form. If you write in the han, it's always low here, high here. Who's like to write like this? Maybe not so obvious, but it's little bit of line high here. So when we write this one like top, we are always low here, high here. And if this one is low here. Yeah, that's habit. Every hand, you go to outside, you can see others like if you big city of subway, you will see all the writing. Hand is low here, high here. Yeah. And also you can see every Chinese word. When you write it, it's not stick, same weight. From beginning to end, same weight is not Chinese writing. It must change. The verse is it must having Line out. Line out. Oh, to heavy in, line out. Heavy in, line out. So P is all heavy line. The dot is line in, heavy end. Dot is always line in, heavy end. You need to pay attention to this one. If you want to write Chinese beautifully, you must follow this. Because this is a plain font. It's not a Chinese writing font. The writing font, you need to follow this basic rule. Otherwise, you will see like kids writing or foreigners writing. Okay, that's the one. And also Su. Su is not a stick. From beginning to end, is same way. No. When normally heavy in, lightly out. Heavy in, light out. If you use pen, it's very heavy in, light out. So, yeah, pay attention to this one. That will help you writing. And also need to pay attention to lady and an animal, this shape, and heart. That's it, the writing. Now we are going to learn some pronunciation.
The shoe.
E, R.
R.
Beautiful.
San.
Beautiful. 四.
四.
五.
Yeah. Okay.
E.
R.
No R. No R.
R.
Like a voice. Going out quick.
R.
Because Chinese all sound is a monosyllable. Monosyllable, yeah? Just all sound is same way. Pronounce the same way. Going up. E.
R.
San. Yeah.
San.
This one, other pronunciation.
E. R. 三 4 5
Yeah, you pronounce it. Not wu. Okay, let me do this. E.
R.
No, E.
Sun.
So every sound is same pattern. Same pattern. If you follow me, you can pronounce it. E. R. Yeah. E.
San.
No san. San. Yeah. E. San. Yeah. You pronounce which language? Wrong. Wrong. Okay. You pronounce Yeah. Get it right. That's what we call it. Yeah, this is a problem. It causes lots of problems. I will feel more stressed than that. That's the wrong one. That way, okay? That's the wrong one. You need to always pronounce this way, okay? Like Yeah, one by one. Yeah. It's one by one. Yeah. Yeah, very good. One by one. Yeah. Beautiful. One by Not Yeah, Yeah, the sound never change. Sun is always sun. And sun. Every place never change. Chinese. I say Chinese sound is piano key sound. It's never change. Yeah. Yeah, Yeah, Not you are wrong. Not that wrong. Not Beautiful. Yeah, one by one. Yeah, the sound never change. Sound never change. Like a double four. Huh? So, not that one. Not that one. That one is wrong. And again, Yeah. Double. Yeah. 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 四。No, double. Going out quicker. Let's finish. Yeah. 三。四。Yeah. 慢一点，就说四。Yeah, maybe we do this one. 一二三。Yeah， 都是三。那个2、1、3、1。 Yeah, so I use this one 25 numbers to give you to explain to you how to pronounce Chinese. How to pronounce Chinese? The first one is Chinese. Chinese pronounce it over monosyllable, yeah? Monosyllable, just one sound. So pronunciation, every word are pronounced like that. Every word can be pronounced like that. Okay, that's the first one. Second, put together, you need to separate it. Not like English, like localization, Australia, Pakistan. They are all syllables together, right? Chinese never do this. Like Shanghai, sound like this. Make so many more words. Yeah. So the first one is this one. The second one is every sound you need to separate. Not like English. English always join. Like you see, Pakistan, Australia, and America, they are joined together. But Chinese never. If you see Shanghai, Chinese, English will say Shanghai. They are joined together, but no. Shanghai, right? One by one. Shanghai, that's right. Because Chinese must pronounce one by one. And then Beijing, you say Beijing as English sound, that's not Chinese sound. It's Chinese sound is Beijing, Bei, stop. And then Jing, Beijing. Okay, that's one by one. Then you need to separate one by one. No joining, no joining. Yes, yes, sir. The third,
北京
no. Beijing.
北京
Yeah. Beijing.
北京
The third one is, yeah. The third one is the sound is very long. Can be very long, and then like ni, you and me, ni. You can make it very long. Ni. Yeah, very long ni. And then later you can make short ni, and then ni, ni, ni. So that means if you find a sound difficult to pronounce, if you sound like wu, you always say wu. This one. Yeah, make it very long, like long like that. Yeah. Then you can make it accurate. You can make it very, very long. Like this. And then short. And then short. So make it longer first. Pronounce it long. Yeah? Yeah? That's always good way to pronounce accurate sound. So you make it longer, longer and shorter first, and then short. Yeah. So that's the first one we need to know. We do not use English Pinyin. Pinyin like this one. This is not my method. Like one.
First tone, second tone, third tone, and fourth tone.
Let me do some practice here. Yeah, what's that?
E.
1 1. 1 1.
1 1.
Yeah, now you pronounce
1
it
4.
5 4. Right?
5
5
4.
4.
5 5.
4 5.
5 9.
4 5. 4 5. So maybe time here. Yeah, 4 5. Yeah.
4 5.
4 5. 5 4.
5 4. Yeah.
1 1.
5 5.
This one is 5 5.
5 5.
This is 3 4. 3 5.
4 5.
3 5. Yeah.
3 4.
3 4. Beautiful.
3 4. 5
3 3.
4 4 3.
4
3.
4
3.
3.
Yeah.
4 3.
And this one is 2 2
Yeah,
2
beautiful. Beautiful.
1
2 3.
1
1
2 3.
3. 1 4.
It's 1 4.
4 5 2.
5 2. Beautiful.
4 4 2.
4 3. 4 3.
4 3.
4
4
3.
3. 5
5 3.
Yeah.
2 3.
2 2.
2 2
2
2.
2.
2 2.
4 1.
3 1.
No,
3 1.
3 1.
1.
3 1.
2 2.
Again.
2. 4 5.
4 4. 4 4.
4 4.
4 1.
4 1.
4 2.
4 2.
4 2.
4 2.
4 2.
4 2. 3.
4 3 2.
3 3.
3 3. 3 3.
3. 4 3.
3 3. Yeah.
3 3.
4 3.
3 3.
3 4.
2 3.
3.
No.
2 3.
2 3.
2 3.
3 4.
3 4.
3 4.
4
1 1
4 4.
2 4.
4 4.
Beautiful.
4 5 2.
4 3. 4 3.
2 4.
2 4. 4 5.
4
4
5.
5.
4 3.
3 3.
3 3.
4 3.
4 1.
Yeah.
4 1.
4 1. 2 5.
2
2
5.
2 5.
2 2 2.
3 2. 3 2. 3 2.
3 2. 1 5.
1 5.
5.
5 2.
2.
This 4 1 1 3.
1 2.
4 4.
3 4.
3 4.
1 4.
That's 4 something.
4 1.
4
4
1.
1.
4 1.
4 1.
4 3.
3 3. 3 3.
5 2.
Yeah, beautiful.
5 2. 5 3.
3.
Yeah, you did well. I think you already done well.
So I have a question, like, do we need a number pad or just we can use our keyboard?
And if you use main keyboard, you can type like T is 1 1, R is 1 2, E is 1 3. This one you need to spend more time at the beginning. You can do.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But this one is very, sometimes people will give up because it's too hard. But with numpad it's very easy. Now 1 2 3 4 you can type everything. So that, but later, like my daily life, I need to type many Chinese words, right? I'm using main keyboard. Because main keyboard, one key, one input, you can put 2 numbers. That's move quicker. That's move quicker than the number pad. So that if you use with numpad at the beginning, it's much easier. it will.
Okay.
If you use main keyboard, you at beginning is slow, very slow, very hard. If you
Okay. So
yeah,
like there is two kind of number pad, like 18 number and 19. So we should buy 18 or 19.
number pad.
Yeah.
19. What's meaning? Just
Yeah, there's like 19 buttons, and this is I think 18.
Oh, just like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Any number,
Okay.
anyone. Just
Okay.
5 have one.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. And anyone?
Yes, I don't have this type of keyboard, so what should I do?
Okay. If
The
you
same
do not
question I
have,
asked.
okay, let me show you. Share screen to you. Here. This one. Yeah.
Which one?
Like this is this web page. If you narrow it, this is number input.
Okay. Yeah, I know. I already done this exercise before.
Yeah, you can use this one to like main keyboard 1 2 3 4, main keyboard 1 2 3 5 1 1.
1 2 1 3
Yeah, you can use this one to type, and also you can use the main keyboard top one, and also you can type this one in your phone. Yeah? You can use this application, open this website in your phone. Then you can use typing 1 2 3 5 typing. Yeah, if you really do not have, you can use that one to type it. But if you wide this screen, widen the screen, then you need a flash. You need a flash, and then you can type with the main keyboard. And yeah. Do you think today's like this method is good for you or no?
Yeah, it's pretty good. We learn something we enjoy. It's very good.
Okay. Ethical. How to pronounce you?
Atika.
Attica. Okay. Yeah, you are from beginning, right?
Yeah, I'm beginner.
Yeah, a beginner. That's really good. If you are learning by Pinyin before, your pronunciation will be different. But we are not use Pinyin tones. That's directly. Just use that way. That's very good for beginner.
I like this way because it's completely practical. So I'm trying to memorize more words and just like it's open your mind. Like you have to do like that way. It's good.
Yeah. Good. I can.